Welcome to our video about the curiosities of the moon. In this video, we will explore some of the most interesting and unknown aspects of Earth's natural satellite. From its impact on Earth's tides to its relationship with Earth and its history of meteorite impacts. Get ready to learn something new about our neighbor, the moon. Earth's natural satellite, known as the moon, was discovered by the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei over 400 years ago. Since then, the moon has been studied by thousands of scientists and astronauts who have discovered many interesting facts about the natural satellite. The moon is the only natural satellite of Earth and one of the 5 largest satellites in the solar system. It is divided into 2 hemispheres, the visible hemisphere facing Earth and the far side hemisphere, which cannot be seen from Earth. The moon is much smaller than Earth, with a diameter of about 347.5 kilometers, and is mainly composed of rocks and minerals, including iron, silicon, magnesium, and calcium. The moon also has a very thin atmosphere, primarily composed of water vapor. This atmosphere contains dust particles and suspended dust particles in the air. The moon orbits around Earth in an elliptical orbit, which means its distance from Earth varies throughout the year. The average distance from the moon to Earth is 384,400 kilometers. The moon also rotates on its axis, which means we see different parts of the moon as it moves around Earth. This means that when the moon is on its visible side, we see one face of the moon, and when it is on its far side, we see the other face of the moon. Here are 13 curiosities about our neighbor, the moon. The moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. The moon is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system. The moon is the largest satellite in relation to its host planet in the solar system. The moon has an elliptical orbit around Earth, which means its distance from Earth varies over time. The moon is the only known satellite in the solar system that has an extremely tenuous atmosphere primarily composed of helium. The moon has a significant impact on Earth's tides due to its gravity. The moon is the most studied object in the sky after the sun, with over 120 space missions sent to study it. When studying it, the moon does not have its own magnetic field, so it does not protect Earth from charged particles from the solar wind. The moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of approximately 3.8 centimeters per year due to Earth's gravitational attraction. The moon has a permanently visible face toward Earth due to the synchronization of its rotation and its orbit around Earth. The moon has a large number of craters due to the numerous meteorite impacts it has endured over the years. The moon has a high number of meteorite impacts due to its extremely tenuous atmosphere, as it lacks the ability to deflect or burn them up. Most meteorites impact its surface before reaching Earth. The moon is the only place beyond Earth where human landing and walking missions have been carried out on its surface, with the first successful mission being Apollo 11 on January 1969. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the curiosities of the moon. We have learned about its unique relationship with Earth, its impact on tides, and its history of meteorite impacts. The moon remains a fascinating object of study, and we will continue to discover new things about it in the future. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to look up at the sky next time you see the moon shining.